Hi all, welcome back to my channel and our kayaking adventures. On May 11th, we made our way down to Palm Beach County, Florida. Please join us on today's adventure as we kayak and snorkel around Peanut Island. We parked and unloaded our kayaks at Phil Foster Park. It would be a short paddle to Peanut Island. Peanut Island is a 79-acre island at the mouth of Lake Worth Inlet in Palm Beach County, Florida. The island was created by dredging-related projects in 1918, which also created the inlet and the port of Palm Beach. Originally, this spoiled island was named Inlet Island. The island was renamed Peanut Island for the planned peanut oil shipping operation, which failed in 1946. In 2005, a $13 million renovation on the island resulted in Peanut Island Park. The renovations included the creation of campsites, a pier, well-maintained walking paths that encircle the island, and a man-made reef, which was home to many tropical fish. Peanut Island was also the location of a blast shelter, built in secret for President John F. Kennedy shortly after his 1960 election. Kennedy often spent winters in nearby Palm Beach, Florida. The shelter was open for tours for several years, but was closed indefinitely in October 2017. Kayaking to the island from the Phil Foster boat ramp, you'll have to pass through a very active boat channel. After waiting on a few boats to pass, we finally had an opening to cross.
Hang on, there's another boat coming. Yeah.
There were several boats anchored outside the channel. Some had some unique characteristics to them. The water around the island was clear and spectacular. It reminded me of the waters that you would see in the Florida Keys. We decided we would paddle around the island first to see where would be the best spot for us to land. After circling the island once, we settled on the beach near the artificial reef. It wasn't too crowded and was marked off from boat traffic. To allow snorkelers to have some room, we decided before snorkeling we would walk the island and check it out. We knew the Kennedy bunker was closed to visitors, but we had hoped we might get close enough to it.
Nice camping areas, picnic table, place to set your tent.
There are 17 campsites on Peanut Island. Camping is by permit only, with a fee of $28 per single campsite. You might check with the Palm Beach County website for more up-to-date information. The walking trail along the island is approximately 1¼ miles, which takes you along the perimeter of the island. While the walking path is paved, you can easily get to some of the beaches on the island, which are fairly active with visitors enjoying themselves. If you prefer not to paddle to the island, there are shuttle services which can bring you to the island for a fee. Unfortunately for us, the area with the Kennedy bunker was off limits, so we could not even get a glimpse of the entrance to the bunker. If they happen to ever open that section back up, I'd love to come back and check it out. After our walk, it was time to cool off by exploring the artificial reefs. Peanut Island is a perfect spot for a beginner snorkeler to enjoy themselves in a safe environment. The water is shallow, there isn't very much of a current, and there are plenty of tropical fish to see. It is best to look around the rocks to find them. Peanut Island is considered one of Florida's top 10 snorkeling spots. During the winter months, it's even possible to see some manatee in this area. After spending some time enjoying the tropical fish, it was time to move on from this area. We wanted to check out the snorkeling lagoon, which was just on the southeast side of the island, which wasn't too far from the artificial reefs. The lagoon was a popular area also. There were people set up with tents, enjoying the day. We had a small snack before snorkeling this area. The water was much deeper here, and there weren't as many fish. It was still a great area to explore. I do recommend beginners stay over in the artificial reef area for a more enjoyable experience. As we were heading back, low tide was setting in. Places that we easily paddled through, we now had to drag our kayaks through. To have the best experience snorkeling Peanut Island, they say it is best to come during high tide. I also hear there is also good snorkeling around Phil Foster Park. Maybe we'll check that out the next time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching our day at Peanut Island. If you are ever in the Palm Beach area, I highly recommend visiting Peanut Island. If you enjoyed this video, do us a favor, hit that like button. Also, please consider subscribing to this channel and check out some of our past videos. Until the next time, I hope to see you out on the water someday.